okay, can you do me a favor, please? Can you just like go in the closet for just 10 minutes? I'm gonna get rid of her.
Sis, no, not the closet.
What's going on? It's Danny Canada, deputy editor here at BOSSIP.com. I'm here to introduce you to BOSSIP's Mukbang. Now, we all know that the best stories about your life and relationships are shared over a good meal. BOSSIP mashed up those two together to deliver some viciously funny content from the first date to the first night and all the way to marriage. You'll find it all right here on BOSSIP.com. Now, in this episode, we kick things off with worst online dating stories. Our guests chow down on small bites piled high with the hidden bitter element we snuck in to help us all remember that a good thing can quickly turn sour.
Hey y'all, my name is Sierra. You can follow me on Instagram at cc_blackswan, and I am here to laugh and eat everything.
Hi, my name is Jah.Cherise. You can find me on Instagram at Jah.Cherise. And I have a story to tell. You ready to hear?
Some chicken, that's lit. I love chicken now.
Wonton.
Oh my God, I'm so hungry.
Me too.
Oh, it's been all day. Okay.
Let me tell you what happened to me.
Yeah.
Tinder, girl. My first and last time. Went on, swipe right. I swiped right and then it said it was a match. So I guess she already done swiped right on me. Anyway, I met this girl, she was super cute. Sent her a message, gave her my number. We conversed for like a week. She was like, hey, I want to take you out. You know, what do you like to eat? We go to Cheesecake Factory. Great conversation. So, you know, I was a little hooked, right? Okay, this is gonna work. This is gonna work. This is about to be who I'm gonna be with.
Finally.
She was like, hey, you wanna come back to my house and hang out and chill or whatever? I'm like, oh. I was just like, okay. What's the whole girl? You tried chicken?
I haven't tried chicken yet, hold on.
I'm a chicken girl.
Okay.
We go back to her house and she starts setting the mood. Candles, all that good stuff, turn on the TV, watching a movie.
Okay.
Her phone kept going off. I ain't paying no mind at first. I was just like, okay, whatever.
Yeah.
Like, she ain't my girlfriend. I don't really care.
Yeah.
But it was just like ridiculous amount of going off. Like, it was just like back to back to back. I'm like, what the hell is going on?
Put your phone away.
Right.
On vibrate.
Right.
In the other room.
So look at she was getting annoyed. So I'm like, what's wrong? She's like, my ex-girlfriend is about to come to the house. After she said that, bang, 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 on the door. And she's like, I know you're in there because I see your car outside.
Didn't have no back door?
No, girl.
Oh my God.
And we're in an apartment. So no balcony, no nothing, because I would have went on the balcony.
Would you jump?
Well,
good, I'm gonna take this up too.
I
I feel like I'm under a mountain of food.
It's good. It's good.
What is happening in this
Wait, what?
taco?
What happened?
It's like
I'm scared.
spicy and bitter at the same time.
You ready for the rest of the story?
Is it worse than this taco? Is it worse than this taco?
It's as bitter as the
This
taco.
trash taco?
So yeah, girl, she's banging on the door. And I'm like, what the hell? Like, what you gonna do? I'm still sitting on the couch. Like, what you about to do? She's like, hey, can you just go in my roommate's closet for just 10 minutes? I'm gonna get rid of her.
Sis, no, not the closet.
What
did you do?
Girl, I'm in the closet.
You ran out the door. Oh, she didn't have no back door.
I'm like, this could work. Whatever. Crazy ex. Maybe she got that good girl, you know what I'm saying? Or maybe that's why she going crazy. So I'm like, all right, cool. I can stay in the closet for 10 minutes. There's nothing wrong with that. She says her ex-girlfriend, she's kind of crazy, so she just want to get rid of her. Go in the closet. She opens the door. I can hear everything because the walls are so thin. You got somebody in here? She's going, oh. Like, what in the world? Like, you ain't answering your phone. You on a date, blah, blah, blah. You got candles lit, you got a movie on. Like, she just like looking around. She's like, who's here? So she started looking for me. And I'm in the closet with my phone like, like, Lord, please don't let her find me because I don't want to fight. I don't want to go to jail tonight. Anyway, she came in the room. You know my heart dropped, right? She comes in the room and I'm like, please don't let her open this closet door. Like, I'm behind the clothes. I'm like, please don't open the door. She passed the closet. I see her little shadow going back and forth.
Back and forth.
Yes.
That's
girl.
scary. It's like a horror movie.
Girl, she did not open the closet. She come back out and she's like, babe, I'm so sorry for accusing you and I just miss you so much and I love you and I'm sorry about the fight that we had earlier. So I text her and I was like, yo, I need to get out. Like, I need to get out. But they were talking. She texted me back. And she was like, give me 10 minutes. I'm so sorry. Give me 10 minutes. I'm like, okay. What the hell? They were talking for a minute. All I heard was moaning. Yes. What? Moaning. Like. Yes. Right.
Are you sure they were eating?
I'm in the. They were eating. Listen, I can hear everything.
Out or anything? Like she didn't even try to like say,
Like get her in the room.
Bathroom or something.
No.
Yo.
No. She just told me wait.
Oh my god.
No, I'm in the closet like I'm not.
Trapped in the closet.
I'm trapped. I'm trapped for real.
Dang. Okay.
So I'm like, well, how? Like, what? You told me to stay here. Like, what am I supposed to do? I don't want to walk in the middle of them doing it. I should have just left. I should have did that though. I should have blew her up. I should have. But at the time, I needed to stay where I was at. I felt like she was gonna get rid of her after that. Like maybe she's gonna give her some real quick and then, you know, send her home. I got in the closet like around 11:30. I came out the closet like around 4:30 in the morning. Girl, when they were sleeping.
Oh my god. Okay, so.
I was tiptoeing. Grabbed my shoes, which was still at the door. She probably didn't even realize, like, there's a whole extra pair of shoes right here.
Right.
She probably thought it was a roommate.
It was hers, yeah.
So, grabbed my shoes, left the door open. I was like, oh, I'm not talking to her ever again. It was a good, I mean, it was an experience, but that was the last time. I was like, I'm getting off this site. I deactivated my page and everything. Like, I don't want nothing.
So you off Tinder?
Off.
What do you know on? No Hinge?
None of them interest me.
No, what are the other ones? No, Coffee Meets Bagel.
Like,
no Bumble.
nothing. I'm on nothing.
Wow, the closet though, it could not be me. So what would y'all have done? Would you have stayed in the closet or would you expose them for cheating? We'd love to hear about it. Make sure you comment below and join us next time when we hear a story involving liquor-infused barbecue and a porno. Thanks for watching BOSSIP Mukbang on BOSSIP.com.